Hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel where we constantly update you for your dream job. Today's video is specifically for all the candidates who have received an interview invite for TCS Digital through the 2022 Ninja Toppers test. First of all, a very big congratulations to all the candidates who have received the qualifier mail for TCS Digital test. In today's video, we will be discussing about the preparation strategy for TCS Digital interview. Before we start today's video, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for all of our upcoming videos. Also, Cantilever Labs is currently offering a free course for all of you aspirants with which you can prepare for aptitude, coding, mock interviews and test series for free and crack top companies as hiring exams like TCS Ninja, TCS NQT, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant and many more. You can register for the free course through the link mentioned in the description box below. Now we can get started with today's video to discuss about the TCS Digital interview. To begin with, the interview will be in 3 stages, starting with the technical round, followed by the MR round and finally the HR round. For the technical interview, you should be aware of all advanced topics apart from the basic ones, as you all know that this hiring is for a greater package. So you should be aware of all of these latest and trending topics before appearing for the interview. These topics are cloud computing, AI, deep learning, IoT, big data analytics, cybersecurity and augmented reality. Apart from these, you should also have a good command on any one of the programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python and DSA is also a must. Some of the basic questions that you need to prepare for the interview are as follows, and you can have answers ready for all these questions. Explain the pillars of object-oriented programming, namely abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. What are the uses of cloud computing? What are some of the top companies that provide cloud services? Define artificial intelligence. List down the usage of AI and ML. What is big data and why is big data important? What are the types of cyber attacks? Define big data analytics. What is digital technology? Define AR. List down the characteristics of AR along with its applications. And the same as follows for VR and MR as well. The characteristics and applications can be asked. Difference between AR, VR and MR. Why do we use R? How can we use R to predict something? And finally, what are the advantages of R? For the MR round, try to do some situation-based questions and be prepared for how to answer these well. For the HR round, we've already made separate videos on how to tackle common HR questions. So the link to all of these videos will also be provided in the description box below. And make sure to check out all of these videos because they will hold a huge weightage on your candidature. Lastly, for some tips which could help you in your preparation, and these are: have at least 2 projects in your resume. Projects on ML, AI, IoT, cloud and cybersecurity increase your chances of getting shortlisted. Have 1 or 2 valuable certifications as these strengthen your profile. When asked, mention good hobbies instead of hobbies like web surfing, playing mobile games, binge watching, etc., as these don't add a lot of value to you and impact you negatively. Instead, refer to hobbies like blogging, gardening, exercising, drawing, singing, etc., as these make a good impression. Add only the things which you've actually done and know on your resume, as this is very important. Be confident during the interview. Ask the interviewer again if you're not sure about a question and don't try to manage it in case you don't know the answer. In such situations, simply say I don't know the answer and I will learn it. And lastly, research well about the company and include all these points while speaking. This shows that you are genuinely interested. So guys, now that was all for today's video and we hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and Discord for such similar updates. Make sure to check out the job portal on our website to get latest job notifications and updates for all job openings, as we post 100 plus fresh job updates every single day. If you wish to keep yourself updated with all such opportunities, kindly check it out and the link to this will be provided in the description box below. Let us know in the comment section as to which topics you want us to make our next videos on and we will be happy to do that. We will be coming up with more such content very soon and until then, thank you for watching.